Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to link your Google AdSense account with your YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to sign in into your AdSense account. So once you sign into your Google AdSense account, you click on switch view. Once you get there, you click on tools and setting. After which you click on setup. Once you are there, you click on links account. You scroll down and click on details, YouTube details. Once you get there, you click on add channel. Once you're there, you search for your channel, or you can simply copy the URL of your channel. After which you click on I own this channel, or if the channel belongs to someone else, you can actually click on it belongs to someone else. So I'm going to click on I own this channel. From there, I'm going to click on go to YouTube. So once you get here, you need to insert your link name. So I'll simply type in my channel name. After that, I'm going to click on link. So that's it, account link safe. So you have actually linked your Google AdSense account with your YouTube channel. So we're going to check. Once you get to setting, you click on channel. Once you're in channel, you click on advanced setting. So you can see this your AdSense account already linked with your YouTube channel.